Hello, hello, hello. Hola, YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and do my little short lesson here of introducing the first three notes in treble clef. I know I'm going to talk a little bit in the treble and bass clef, so I'm gonna go ahead and start you off with treble because that's what you technically on vowels that you're going to post hard read that clef anyways. So, without further ado, I will show you what I'm going to do first off. Show you how. Okay, as I really stated, and I'll show you why I said this too. Okay, let me show you first. I'll show you my lines and spaces, treble clef again if you don't remember them. Okay. Alright, so it says every good boy does fine. And then the phases be F, A, C, and E. So, okay. This is what we're technically doing again. Every good boy does fine. Then F, A, C, E. Okay. So, I want to introduce you to notes as I first learned them. And I'm going to go ahead and show you by using my lines and spaces in treble clef. I'm going to do it, each person is going to be a little different than what I learned it, so, but I will show you the technically what I learned in my first lesson of music, shall I say. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and draw something right here. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a note. Okay, what kind of note is this, first off? Is it a whole note or is it a half note? Okay, so the answer is, on that one is a whole note. If you got a whole note, you are correct. And this, my friends, is F. This is F right here. Right in the first space of the treble clef. Is F. And if I were to draw this on my keyboard, now draw a keyboard and show you where this note is. Although this is going to sound a little confusing at first, but once I show you my instrument, it will probably make a little more sense as I do that tomorrow. I'll reinforce it in one way or the other. Okay? Okay. just hit repeat those top areas with the marker. Okay. So I will technically show you on my keyboard that is through where this note would be. Okay. So noticeably it'll be all the way down to the left. So it'll be right down to the very left of the group of black keys, which I'll get to that in a minute. But this, my friend, would be F, right here. Understand? So, wait, sorry, it can't be right. Alright, sorry, that's not right. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay. It's hard to do at this angle, so excuse me. This is F, not this. This is. This is the correct note for it. Right here. Okay. I'll show you why, if you want to know. It's okay. It's all the way down to the left. Like, go to the left of your black keys and down. That's how I got F. And where that is. Just note that this is where it goes. Right here. Okay. So if I ever draw another note, and I draw a little stem, what do you think that note would be now? It's not hard to do, guys. It would be a half note, right? But in my opinion, if you see this note right here, or even if it's without that little stem, and I know it's going to be a whole note if I did that, but if I see just this right here, I know this note's going to be D. So D would be that note right here. And when I find D, it'll be, okay, how do I explain this? It's right in the middle of the two black keys. In the middle is D. And I'll explain what black and white keys are in a minute. And so I'll let you know. And then, okay, and if I put a flat right in the middle, right. So don't let this flat confuse you. But this is an E flat. Right, this one right here is E flat. So E flat will be right here. So that's technically your first note I learned back in my day. So this will be E flat. The reason why E flat would be in the top row because it's a black key. And the way I think of it playing an instrument, especially when I play now, I think of it like a piano where all the naturals are at the bottom. All the flats and sharps will be at the top. Now I'll write it down in further description. And I'll recap on what we did. So, okay. And further description, okay. So, I'm writing my next note. All sharp and black keys are in the top. I'll explain this note a little bit. Okay, the way I think of this, um, of my instrument, the way I use this is that all my sharps and all my flats. So anytime I get to disappear in the music, I know it's going to be on the top row, which I refer to as the black keys. And with my natural notes, I think them as a white key, which means it's on my bottom. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and recap of what you just learned. And maybe show a little better demonstration of what it is. Okay? Alright. Okay, I just decided to make this as a recap of this last portion I'm going to show you. So, as a really good demonstration, I draw a whole big piano. I drew a whole big one to show you what it means. So right here I identified it as F. And it's hard to write with one hand, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what my demonstration is going to be. So this is F, as you can see right here. E flat, and I kind of drew an arrow going down, but that's E flat. And this is G. So that's my first three notes right here. So far, I hope you got it. And thank you for listening, viewers, on how to demonstrate the lesson to you. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave your comments below. I'll try to answer as much as I can. And please, 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 please take the lessons with me. I'm looking forward to it. And peace out.